Deep pockets. Deep pockets. It's an idiom. It means a wealthy person or an organization with a lot of money. In other words, if an organization or a person has deep pockets, they have a lot of money. Let us see it in the examples. The first one, in our country, the Ambanis and the Tatas have deep pockets. They have a lot of money. They are the richest. So they have deep pockets. Second one, you will need deep pockets to turn this shabby old building into an attractive store. You need lot of money to renovate this old building. So you need deep pockets. Third one, if the school is keen on improving the facilities, then the management must find some deep pockets to finance the project. School has no facilities. If it wanted to increase, it needs money. So they should find some source. So that is why the management must find some deep pockets, some financing agency. Fourth one, anyone who tries to save that company will need deep pockets. The company is in complete losses. If somebody wanted to save it, needs a lot of money, needs deep pockets. Fifth one, luckily we have an investor who is the deep pockets of our business and can fund all of this construction work. We have a rich investor who has a lot of money. He can finance everything. That's the reason who is the deep pockets. So when we look at the origin of this idiom, it's self-explanatory. If your pockets are deep, that is, they go a long way down, then it becomes possible for you to stuff a lot of money into them. It's very easy, right? So deep pockets is nothing but a wealthy person or an organization with a lot of money.